Hey beautiful people, how's it going? Welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, my name is Maggie and I'm posting a new video every single day for the month of September, so go ahead and click that red button and subscribe. I'd love to have you. Also, if you don't know already, I also have an Instagram, so go ahead and check it out. It's the same name as this YouTube channel, Spiced by Maggie. But today I'm going to do another what I eat in a day video. I like filming it, I have to eat. You guys like watching it, so why not do it again? Also, I have this like little gypsy dress on that I'm absolutely in love with. So when I filmed the video that's previous to this one, trying on 5 different pairs of jeans at 5 different stores, size 6, I actually picked up some new summer pieces. Although summer is basically just coming to an end, I picked up some summer pieces, and this is one of them from American Eagle, and I absolutely love it. It's just so flowy and it's just so me. But yeah, so for the first meal of today, I'm going to start with a melon. So I picked up this melon from Sprouts for 99 cents, and you can't go with that. That's a pretty good deal. So I'm gonna cut this up, pack it to go, and I gotta go pick up some goodies for my husband's birthday. Okay, and the puppies are going wild. To make meal number 2. I picked up a new plant. I can't wait to show you guys. But before I show you guys, I'm gonna tell you what I'm making for today's lunch, which is going to be a pesto pasta. It's gonna be creamy, delicious, satisfying. So I'm gonna show you step by step what I add in there. I might even add it into the description, so if you guys wanna recreate it, you could do so. But right now, I'm gonna go ahead and show you my new plant. It is snack time because my pasta is going to take at least 20-25 minutes to make from start to end. So I'm just going to snack on this banana and keep cooking. So lunch is finished and it's served. I am sweating here. I'm not sure if you guys could tell, but I'm standing over the stove cooking between the pasta and then the other ingredients in another pot. So I got really hot during that. But I'm about to dig into this. I'm gonna leave all the ingredients for this pasta in the description, so make sure you check it out. Try it out, let me know what you think of it. I think it's pretty delicious. You could always change out the green peas for garbanzo beans or mushrooms. Same thing with the arugula. You could change it out for spinach if you like spinach more. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead, eat this, relax, and go to the gym. Perfection. Alright guys, it is dinner time. I am back from the gym. Typically, you'll never see me at this time film because I hate the lighting. Whenever I do film what I eat in a day, I typically don't put myself in the video. I only showcase the food, or I either cook dinner earlier when the lighting is still fine and then just eat later on in the day. But today I'm just like, you know what? I'm trying to be more authentic through these videos, so I'm just gonna do it sweaty and all. But after the gym, I stopped to buy natural grocers and I picked up 3 things, and that's Evolution cold pressed orange juice. This stuff is so good. I love having it. And then I picked up my husband these meatless vegan jerky strips. And then I also got myself some Naga dark chocolate. However, I don't have it because I left the packaging in the car because I ate the whole thing while I was coming home. It's a really small package. That's the only unfortunate thing. And that's the only chocolate that I'm currently eating during the next 60 days. So whenever I feel like having dark chocolate, that's what I have because it's the only one that I could find that does not actually add processed sugars into it. The sugars only come from the fruit that is the dried fruit in there. But yeah. Anyways, it is dinner time, like I said, so I'm about to make a tiki masala dish. Hopefully it's gonna turn out good. I'm not sure whether I'm gonna showcase the whole recipe in here. I'm thinking that I'm gonna wait to see how it basically turns out, and if it turns out good and you guys want to see it, let me know in the comments and I'll make sure to film it. Oh, this is looking so cute. Looking out the window waiting for Mike. You're so cute, sweetie. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make the dinner, then I'm gonna shower, eat, and call it a night. So I'm gonna close it out here because you guys won't see me again. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe you got some inspiration to make one of these recipes. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, check out my Instagram, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys!